Apple have mentioned in their last keynote presentation that Mojave will be the last OS to support 32-bits application. That means that like they recently did with iOS, every 32-bits application won't be openable on macOS 10.15. To know if you have incompatible software, hit the apple on the higher right corner, then About this Mac. Click on System Report. Then go down to Application into the Software tab. Here is everything installed on your Mac, and on the very right you can see if the application is 64-bit or not. Hit this, and you will see in order every of your application that are, and those who are not ready.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!